Nigeria Correctional Center don't release names and pictures of the prisoners wey escape. For na wey no know, Imo prison break happen. And yes, for na wey dey follow, na the matter be this. During the wetin they call it, the Imo prison break, those people wey run. I tell una before say even Imo state governor don't come outside, come they give us another matter. So now the latest one be say they don't bring out the names, they don't bring out pictures of some of the people. They say na some, not be all of them be that. They bring out like 9 names and pictures of people wey run away. So these ones they wanted, they look for them very serious. So they send me message, oh, they say make I put am so that I go see what. I will put their pictures, make these people they see what they talk about. And then be that. Okay, I know say una no fit see the name very well. Make I read their names out for una. The first one na Abazie Miracle. Abeg, if you dey watch me, you know say na you just dey shout present ma. Very important. Abazie Miracle. Obioma Abua. That Abua dey sound like one Ghana insult like that because I know. Adele Okuchuku. That one too miss. Ukachi Adele. Ajuakwara David. Akene Francis. Akrika Peace. Abeg, una name sef even plenty because my people na there be that too. They say that they look for them. So if you know any of them, I beg. I don't know what you go do, but I beg una know them. Now my question first, una know because me, if you ask me, I don't know them. I never even see them before. Now so, I beg the one where they me do. How come they remove the picture? That one only green, now ghost. I be waiting. It just disappear, or I not just understand. Una dey find prisoners wey run away, wey escape. If I see them sef, I go give them transport, make they go far. Yes, so call it wickedness, call it what, anything wey you want call am. I get my reasons. Any of these people wey run, if I see them, I'll say, bros, take this 5K, use it to transport, enter Ghana, enter anywhere you want to go, just go. All the politicians wey thief money, they be the original criminals. Una don't arrest them. You dey search for people. Some of these people say where running. My people, you go shock una. Some of them say they innocent. Some of them they innocent. You know how many matter we don't hear politicians they use people just to cover up their nonsense lifestyle. Some of them they innocent. Now you dey ask them make they come back knowing fully well. Say no be them do this crime, no be them. Una dey funny sha, like no, all these people wey both the police people, the politicians wey they say they find federal government, all of una dey very funny. Imagine say all these politicians now we put them inside prison, they get chance to run. Una think say they go come back. Una think say they go come back. Now my question. Even Uncle Peter for Bible, where they say they do, angel call help and open gate, he come back. Now I want make people come back. This and that. Make una no better stress una self. These people have gone. Some of them self they do. If I know even they mistake, they don't even enter Cotonou. Some of them don't enter Ghana. They don't divide themselves, enter different countries. Now wetin they call am face mask changing. Now be the short thing now. So you go no, you not go see them. All these ones wanna see their pictures. Check them very well. You go see person tomorrow. You no go even know say na him just pass beside you. Yes, now some of them go even start the rub cream so that if they black, you know, say the prisoners, the time when they prison, they be black. So that in order for people not to know say now there, they go start the rub cream so that they go fair. You know go know now. They go rub pink lips cream. They go some of them go even start they plait their hair. You know go see them again. So why we they stress ourselves? See they now they find this one, now they find this one. I beg and for una wey know them, they very careful. If you dey una area because they don't release, they don't plenty wey escape. So no dey shock when una go hear say my 2000 don't miss, so this one don't miss. I beg they very very vigilant. You understand? Anywhere you find yourself, because these people with the anger wey dey inside some of them now, say they don't dig their sins as they come out now to devour all of una money. So they alert and stay sharp. I say I go bring a corner side though, because now they don't start they bring their pictures and their names outside. I beg share this video so that everybody go know say that this is not the shelling out for Nigeria. Very, very important. And make sure say you subscribe, and why not drop those comments for that comment section in case you know any of them or anyone will happen. I bet just drop out for that place. And as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, house where armed robber don't go thief from, he fall asleep inside the house. I no just know how it happened. I don't know which magic. And this material they bring for Nanana from Thailand. According to matter wey reach me, they say the house now for one policeman. They say the man get money for Thailand. Now so the man they sleep before you know. He say normal level now. You know how all these people they stay for their house. Their children get their own room when they themselves get their own room. He say they in room. Before you know, he they hear the AC for your daughter room. They and the daughter no dey around. The daughter tell her, he take permission from her, say, Dad, I will be around for some days, you know. You know how these people they go. Now so he could hear the AC, could they wonder say, I be this girl come back when she no tell me, or I no understand wetin happen. Now so he say make you go check. Oh. As this man just peep. Ha! He said, no, this is not my daughter. Before you know, and so he silently go call for backup. He said, I beg, make una come my house now. Before I commit murder, somebody is inside my daughter's room. My people, now so the backup come. When they start to question the armed robber himself, they go tell us, say, Bia, you, how come you come from outside, you say you can't sleep, you can't sleep for person room. Wetin happen? He say you don't look for target since. Say they walk around the area, they find targets. He say you no see person wey go even use as this thing. As he can't see this kind of house, who go around say you enter the house. So he say he decide to rest more. He say he decide to rest, like he wants to take a break small before he continue his operation. Hey, my people. Now so this guy just fall asleep, the man just catch up. Ah! This one are the real definition of body no be firewood. This one. I'm not just understand. You go thief. You can't fall asleep. I bet my people see. They say even God rested on the 7th day. I bet me man rest. Now wait till they tell me. They say but I'm come rest. Even God way walk. On the 7th day, God rest. We go and say okay. Oh, I never see this kind of robber. No, you know say we don't they talk about robbers and robbers. This one I never see. Forget them. This one carry he carry the trophy. I give him this trophy. I give up. The one wey even shock me sef, even on AC. This no be juju be that. You go, you not understand. You go thief, you go sleep, even on AC. Say may AC touch you small before you continue your operation. Maybe na the first time wey this guy dey thief for rich man house. You know say if you don't dey used to Paco lifestyle, na papa you just go carry go. This one as he enter first, maybe the wall. Oh my God, I never see this kind of thing before. You understand? He can't touch the bed can't soft. Maybe you don't dey used to hard life. He dey sleep for ground or maybe under stones. As he touch soft bed, he say, I beg, make her just enjoy small. The house and the bed they very comfortable. That's so he sleep off. I never see before. I dey tell now. If you don't see am, abeg make you tell me your experience. Start the drop out for that comment section because I need to hear more about this one. I don't laugh. I don't feel like I don't dey laugh since. Abeg, I need to have a word. You now see that policeman, the owner of this house. I need to get word with this man. No, whatever it is he has put inside that house, we need them. I mean, my people now don't need that. We need to put whether not the air freshener, I be something is happening. Except if that man an African man where they live for Thailand, but something is definitely going on. No, this one will sweet me die. Imagine if all our armed robbers, all the armed robbers where we get for our country, imagine say they anywhere they enter, they start to sleep. No, you know they think. Look at the future now, because I don't think I'm finished. We need to get what I know. Worry, I go ask her. The name of the French now, if not to ship her down to this place, we go ship her down. But we need that. Very, very important. My people, wait till I think concerning this sleeping thief. I need no opinion straight. This one no be joke. I bet drop am for that comment section if you don't experience am like I talked before, or you know person where the thing happen to. I bet drop am for that side, and as usual, I go reply now one by one. Make sure say you share this video so that our people go know say they don't dey get air freshener where they capture thieves, where they make thieves they sleep. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, how you want hear this kind of thing? Just click on that notification bell so that you're not gonna miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.